Hi everyone, welcome to Storeino. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp button to your store in Storeino and also how to customize everything related to this application. So when you log into your account, go to the applications and then go to this list of applications and search for WhatsApp button here as you can see and click on this blue button here to activate it. And as you can see, it was successfully activated, and then click on the name of the application. Here as you can see we have this page of the settings of this application, and first of all we have here a list of logos to choose from. Here as you can see we have like 7 or 8 logos to choose from, and also we have 3 other logos with a text message on them. If you want to choose any of these, just feel free to choose any logo. For example, I want this one for my store. And here as you can see we have also the size of the icon that we chose previously. Here you can change the size of the logo. As you can see, you can make it bigger and you can also make it smaller, etc. Just do whatever you want with it. Here we have also the WhatsApp text that will show up if you choose one of these 3 logos with the text messages on them. You can also edit this message. Just type in what you want to be or to appear in the icon of the application. Here also we have the variables, which is basically the keywords that will be filled in the message of the product page. Here as you can see we have here a demonstration of this message. We have also this one is editable. You can edit everything related to this product page messages, and also the words that are here as you can see, they are the words that will be replaced with either the name or the product price, or also the link of the product, etc. So of course you can also edit this specific setting in the message of the product page. We have the same here as you can see. We have the default message of the line product. Of course you can also edit this one, etc. And lastly here we have the store WhatsApp number, which is basically it will be filled automatically with the store number that you are already provided to Storeino. You can of course change it to another new number if you have a new number for your store, or you can just leave it as it stands. And here we have the important bit here as you can see, where you can associate each product with a specific WhatsApp number. For example, if you have 2 sections in your store, you have a male section and a female section, you can of course associate the female section, for example, with a different number, and also the male section here as you can see with another WhatsApp number. For example, I want this product here as you can see to be associated with a specific number. I just go ahead, click on to select the product, and then add the WhatsApp number and click on add. And as you can see here we have the product that we selected with the number that we wrote down. Here as you can see, for example, this second product with another different number, for example here as you can see, and then click on add, and it will be successfully added to this list. And you can pretty much do this with all the products in your store. The last thing is the placement of your logo of your store. Here as you can see we have the logo of WhatsApp button. You can also put it in any place. Here as you can see we have these 9 or 8 placements. Just go ahead and choose where you want the WhatsApp button to appear in your store, and when you are done with all these settings, just click on confirm. So the information will be updated successfully and we can check it on our store. When we go to our store, first of all, as you can see here, we have below the store, we have the WhatsApp button here as you can see. And when we click on it, it will take us to this pop-up page where you can, of course, contact the store from their WhatsApp number. As you can see here, we have the button that takes us to the chat. And of course, we have the store number here, as you can see. Now, if we go to another product. Here, as you can see, one of the products that we connected with a different WhatsApp number. For example, if I go to this one and then click on the WhatsApp number, here as you can see, it will provide us with a different number that we actually related to this product, and not the number of the store, as we previously mentioned that you actually can provide each product with a different WhatsApp number, and you can pretty much do this to all the product in your store. So that was everything for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments, and we will make sure to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you.